Okay, this right here is the package that you can purchase from B&H for the GoPro 12. So let's go through all the stuff that we have here. So we got a lot of things. We have the handle, micro SD card, battery, the case, and the GoPro. So I'm going to start. Let's start with the case. So, whoops. Here is the Regard AVC-G2B case. We'll just tear that open. Please don't eat that. Focus camera. There you go. Don't eat that. Take this off. Oh, okay, that's good. So we open this case up. So we got more silicone. We got the kind of tear apart foam, so you can tear apart specifically. Now, is this designed for the GoPro itself? It looks like it has specific parts cut out for different things. It's got specific shapes already cut out. So I'm guessing that when we take the parts of the GoPro, there's actually specific places to put everything. Until I take the GoPro, I'm just going to keep all this in here, and we will sort that out later. And this is a habit I have. I actually keep a silica pack in all my camera bags because it does help with taking moisture out of those. So let's put that to the side for now. So here's another accessory that came with it. We have the handle. So this is the handler, floating hand grip for the GoPro. And let's see if it's an easy way to open this or not. No, they don't make it easy. I'm gonna use the easy way. It's called the knife. Okay, we're just gonna cut the bottom. Pretty simple packaging here, all cardboard, which I like it when it's all cardboard, and it, packs nice and flat. That's smart. The only other thing in here is a limited warranty card, which isn't really that important, I guess. And then you just have the rest of the case. So this just flattens up and is garbage. Now, of course, a very important thing is to have the battery. Without the battery, we can't go very far. Again, I'm going to take a look to see if there's any easy way to open it. No, of course there's not an easy way. So again, the knife. And so just tear that out. That's a giant box for this. Look at this. Look at the size of the box. Right? It's an ugly box. Here's the box it comes in, and the battery. That I don't know what I'm doing upside down. That's not smart design. That to me that's ridiculous. Look at this battery. We could save space on the shelf and in the trucks. So I didn't really talk about this handle at all. There's not much to it. It's just a grip. There's not even like a tripod mount on the bottom, which I'm kind of upset about. It just has the sliding part for the GoPro itself, so you have to handhold the whole time. And it has this little wrist strap, I guess, so you don't lose it. You can dangle it from your wrist if you want, and hit the tripod legs with it. There's your battery. It's got a little pull tab to pull it out of the GoPro, but very simple. We also have the Lexar Professional 128 gig card, which we'll open later. I don't want to lose it. But here is the main event, the GoPro itself. So it comes with this little paper wrapping, it looks like. Do that. Just tears out. Here we are. There is the 12 black GoPro. Let's see, it tells you what's in here. Here we got the GoPro. We got, another battery. So I bought extra batteries, it turns out. It has a battery. It's got the screw, the mount, another mount. That's like that stick-on mount, and a USB charging cable. Just say micro SD card required, sold separately. We got our apps on the back, so we can quick link it. So it's got all that stuff on here. Does it tell us anything fun on the box? It does tell us fun things on the box. Got a 27 megabit photo capabilities, 5.3K video at 60 frames, or 4K at 120, 2.7 at 240 video. That's pretty cool. So you can do some really slow motion stuff with that. Waterproof up to 33 feet without a case. I mean, my last one that I bought for myself was a Hero 3 Plus, and it needed a case for it. Voice control, that's crazy. Slow-mo, 8x slow-mo, hyperview, time warp, 1080 live stream, super photo and raw photos, HDR photo and video, 10-bit color, mod ready, so you can buy mods for it as well. Oh, I was looking to see how to open it. There is, I love these pull tabs. It just makes it so much easier. Let's pull that out. There we go. There's the case. We're gonna throw the box on the ground. And just gonna pull this up. Oh, that opens that way. Okay, your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the GoPro app on your phone. Make sure you have internet. Oh, you have to do it on your phone. For some reason, I don't like that. I'd rather just be able to do it without having to use a phone. Subscribe to the GoPro experience. Here's your little quick start instructions. Very handy, so we have to go through and do that stuff. Oh, and we got stickers. We're gonna have to put that on the wall afterwards. I do have a sticker wall. Pro tips for cold weather performance. That's kind of nice. Here is a more in-depth manual, right? Oh, this is just product and safety information. Actually, this is not a manual. This is just safety information in about that many languages. We're not going to count. But what's the actual content? So here we go. We have the charging cable. All right, you got the USB-C charging cable. We got the sticking mount, so you can stick this on to things. All right, so here we go. We got another battery. So this is the battery that comes with it. It's all wrapped up. Take it out of the paper. We have also the screw for screwing it on to the mount, right? Here's the mount itself. So there's our interlock. A lot better built than the old ones. And this is the GoPro. If I can get it out of here. There we go. And then that's just, this is all looks like recyclable material, which I love. I love simple packaging that is recyclable, because you use it once to ship it and then it's gone. And this is all protective paper covering, which is nice. So I'm just gonna undo that. Oops, that's annoying. that was super annoying. I went to go pull it and it did not come off, so I'm gonna have to try to grab another corner here. There we go. Make sure we don't mess it up. Okay, there we go. Whew. Held my breath there on that one. Let's see if that happens over here. Oh, that comes off nice. There's your camera. And then we have, again, your camera must be updated before you can use it. It's kind of weird that's not updated out of the box, but whatever. So there we are. There is the GoPro 12. So it's got this little, that's really neat. So in the old ones, I remember, you know, you had to put it in a case first, then you can mount it. This comes out, and that becomes how you connect it to your mount. So you just flip these two little pieces out right here. They flip down real nice, and they just slide right into the mount. Oops. If I can do it correctly. Right. Then you just take your screw. You can, come on. Look at that. That is pretty nifty. There, now it's mounted. Take that off for a second, I think. It also looks like the microphones are underneath there too, so that's where the microphones are. And I love that this is just waterproof out of the box. Oh, there's a mic. Oh, looks like a microphone on the front as well. So let's see, how does this open? Now I could read the instructions, but that would defeat the purpose of exploration, because I love figuring it out. We're not going to figure it out, are we? Let's take a look. Oh, I'm doing it the right way. Oh, this slides down. Okay. This slides. Oh, pushes down and then pulls out. Okay, that was, it takes a, I'll say this. It takes a little bit of strength to pull that down, and then, does it come all the way off? Is it supposed to come all the way off? Because it did. And it clicks back in there. So that slides this way and then open. So that's your waterproof seal. So you gotta make sure you close that properly there too. Now let's line our battery up correctly. Slide that in. And your charger is right there as well. So that's where the USB charger is. So we're gonna plug that in there. So let's see, I have a USB cable hanging out over here, so we can charge that up. So see, there we go, we're charging. And your on and off button is here on the side. Boom, I turned it on. Now let's see if I really have to update it before I can use it. While it's turning on, let's open up this micro SD card, shall we? So right here is where the micro SD card goes in, and make sure you put it the right way in. It goes in this way. Okay, on the back here, oh, there we go. Apparently I'm already hitting buttons again, I didn't notice. So let's see, let's zoom in here. Shoot, there we go. So go ahead, we pick our language. Oh, hey, I didn't say French, go back. English. And by using GoPro, I agree to the terms. Well, obviously we're gonna read all those. Turn on to control camera using voice. Now I assume if I hit the intro, oh, voice commands. Oh, so these are voice commands you can use. I'm assuming I'm gonna turn that on later. I'm gonna leave it off for now. And there it is. I have to install the app, or else it doesn't let me do anything else. Guess I'll grab my phone real quick. Okay, so now I have, the app is opening on my phone here to the side. Maybe zoom out just a little bit so you can see both things here. Now, and continue as guest. I don't feel like signing in. Do you own a GoPro? Yes. Set up your GoPro now? Yes. Okay, we'll use Bluetooth. Allow. Connect camera. It's pairing. There we go. We can give it a new name, I guess. Just gonna save it like that for now. Sure, I could go in and change it later. And now we're going to join to the Wi-Fi. And I guess we're gonna go ahead and do this update. It won't even let me go past this without doing it. And we're done. And now for some reason the app still says we're installing the update, but we are done with the update. You can see I'm gonna move the phone out of the way here and zoom back in on the GoPro. I have the live view on the back here. Battery's very low. Obviously need to update that. We're in standard quality now. I can highest quality. Oh, this is they make it very simple. 4K, 1080. I want to be in 5K. I love 5K. Oops, I started recording. Check out your media. You can change your lens there. Framing. So this is all touchscreen, which is really nice. front. Oh, I did. Oh, I hit a button. Did not mean to. Apparently when I moved around, you gotta be careful what you touch. I hit all kinds of buttons by accident. Oh, so the top here is your, there we go. Or just, oh yeah, you just move your finger in a direction, it changes the mode. And no, I don't, so the front one is not a touchscreen, but it does give you the preview so you can see what you're doing. You can look right into it and see yourself there. So that's really cool for selfie mode, so you can hit that record button and now you can kind of see yourself as you're recording. Of course, there's a very loud beep. I don't know if we can change that or not, but that is the basic setup of your new GoPro 12. And now looks like my phone is caught up, says setup is complete, and now I'll do that later. No thanks, I don't want notifications. Let's go. And now I can actually connect remotely too, so you can do a lot of stuff from your phone too, which is really helpful when you have it on, like, you know, a tripod or stand up high. You know, you can have this way far away from you and you can still be controlling it, which is a really great feature with Bluetooth these days, you know. So that's pretty cool. I love that. And there you go. GoPro Hero 12, or GoPro 12 Black. Be careful with that touchscreen. It is sensitive. I keep touching it. So we're gonna shut this off. There it goes, powering off, and we're gonna finish charging it to make sure it works right. So there you go. I hope you like that. If you do, give it a thumbs up.